Okay. What does your ball say, Paxton? Say it again.
Huh?
Say it again.
Love cat.
Yeah, and Savannah says, I love Savannah. Well, Lance, we're just recording a little. Well, thought maybe since you'd be missing the morning and the day, I'd record a little video. So, anyways, it's the morning. Everyone just woke up at 9. Savannah was kind of playing in a crib for a little bit. And now we're going to go have some breakfast. There goes Savannah to her ball.
Okay, well, let me see. Well, let me see.
Huh?
Let me see. Well, let me see.
Oh. Alright, well, we're going to go have some breakfast, and then I'll try and record things throughout the day. She wants the ball. Okay. What are you doing, Pax? Huh? Yay! Lindsay's favorite show! Check that out. She ate almost all of it. Yes, she is eating, Lance. It was so yummy, huh? Was it so yummy? Want to drink waters? Do you want to drink waters? No? Here's the fridge. Yay!
Why? Now, my turn.
Your turn?
Yeah.
Okay, go back there.
Again. You rather try ball first.
Okay. Here comes Savannah.
My turn.
Okay. Go all the way back there.
Yay! Again. Again, right? Again. Right? Do it.
Whoa, that's a big kick.
Wait. Do it. I want two now. No. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. 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 Okay.
Hey, cutie. She's fast, huh? Is Fanny fast?
Go get her bling. I'm trying to go get her bling.
Mom again.
Huh?
Say hi to Mom again.
Hi, Mom.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
We're going.
We're outside now. It's a beautiful, gorgeous day. We just made the sandwiches.
Well, I don't
We're
catch
eating on the
yours.
tramp.
Why? Put some in my cup. Okay, right?
No, here. That's all we're doing.
Okay. Mmm.
Alrighty.
I like root beer.
Yeah, it's tasty.
Yeah.
Anyways, things are going good. Like I said, it's a nice day today. Shane wants to get up. Talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.
There's baby Nancy. Come see right here. Come get in the camera. Right here. Over here.
Bye-bye.
This way, this way, this way. Look, there's Paxton.
Bye-bye.
Say bye. Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mom.
We're getting ready to go night-nights. We just took a bath.
We go to bath. Bye-bye.
Say I love you. I miss you.
I love you. I miss you.
Can you blow kisses? Blow kisses, nannies. Blow kisses. Blow kisses. Oh, okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Love you.
Love you. Yeah, love you.